Hello and welcome to this video about StageSwift. StageSwift enables you to get the right people to the right place at the right time. In this video, I'll be showing you StageSwift's scheduling system. And I have a calendar here that I prepared earlier. So I'm just going to click on it here. This is the calendar view. As you can see, it's color coded with the green events here being a dress rehearsal right up to the light violet coloured accommodation event. If you don't like seeing things in a calendar view, you can click on the table view here and see things in a list. One of the handy things about the table view is that you can easily filter. So for example, if I want to look at some tech events, I just type in get for get in and get out, or perhaps I want to look at the shows, and I can see the shows, and then perhaps I only want to look at the ones that are to be confirmed. Okay, let's get rid of some of those filters. Go to the show, and I'm going to just get rid of me because I'm in the way. Now, if we look at this particular event, this dress rehearsal, for example, I'm going to click on that and it's going to give you more information about that event. And you can see it's got a title, it's got a start and an end time, the location where it's happening. So this one's at a venue. And then if you click on the cog, you can either select a venue or a location. So a location might be something like if it was a piece of street theatre, or it might be a festival. Maybe you're doing a performance in a field. It could be anywhere that you like. So somewhere that doesn't have a specific address is a location. Then we have bookings. So you might have a run of 4 nights. So you've booked with a particular booker and you want to group them all into a booking. And then you can pick them off very nicely when you're doing your invoicing. At the rehearsal, we're delivering the product, which is called Much Ado About Nothing. I'll tell you more about products in another video. And then we have display this event on the road. So that's, let me just pop myself back into this video so you can see. So I'm just going to hold up my phone. So that's what it looks like when it's on the road. So you can see where you were supposed to be, no matter where you are. And the top item there is the rehearsal. I'm trying to, I can't do it. Oh, did I do it? No, can't do it backwards. So there it is, that's the rehearsal and all the details, so you can see that even if you're actually out on tour. I just want to click on to people. So these are the people who are associated with this particular event. And you'll notice it's got a nice green box here saying it required 4 actors, and it has got 4 actors, you can see the actors there. But if I was to get rid of one, like I get rid of Stephen Green, I was going to check it, then it gives you a red box just to warn you that you needed to have those 4 actors. So I'm just going to add them back in again. And I'll save that. So that's how you do events in your calendar.